Hell yeah, uli. Kamusta mga boss idol, mga OFW natin dyan, mga bagong bayani? Mag-ingat ka saan ka man panig ng mundo ngayon. Music video dito sa All Music Mix. No, paki-subscribe ang kanyang channel at manood po tayo nito, music video, matinding banda po ito, no. Ito talaga medyo pwede talagang tumapat sa mga foreign band na magagaling din, mga rap metal. Ganun ang mga tema ng tugtugan nila, no? At magaling to, nag-go-growl to eh. Kaso, Kijamir, rest in peace, no? May istorya kasing nangyari dito na nagpatiwakal siya. Yung pinaka-vocalista. Pero napakagaling din ito. Ito, pakinggan natin, no? Slapshot, no? Agent Orange na title. Okay, like ang kanilang channel. So, malupit yan.
Exists 360 degrees like unsolved mysteries. You mind torture by demonic beast. It's a fatal, the instrumental, the hit your central nervous system. You're now without a funeral for real. My eyes still exist with the terror, living without the God of my father. Every day, it's like a while we're going through. Agent Orange Man, yo, is coming after you. So get caught like ninja, moving with the drama all the way from Hong Kong straight up to China. Who needs ya? Taking the jack with the mist or the devil talking on the speaker. Lay back and push back and turn back and come back. Say the fucking day like your master Kojak as a clock. Think of the top, you'll be running like a maniac. You'll be talking shit out, well I just think you suck. Agent Orange, get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, come up, come up, come up. Agent Orange, get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, you better get up here. Get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, get up, yo. You better get up here. It's the year 99, coming, don't waste your time. I'm just a young man, old boy, spitting rupture shine. The pain's penetrating to my spine, unexplainable, it can't be defined. They hating me, stabbing me, playing me. Still I deal with the hate of the enemy. I'm hunted by fear when you speak and you mimic. Terrorize them out like I'm John and mnemonic. Slow like atomic, deadly with a technique. Dance to a song even though without the music. So think of the side, think of the truth, watch the way I flow. We all gonna die if you mess with the crow. Victimize when you close your eyes. Hear 1, 2 when you mesmerize. Surprise, never tell your lies. Before the televised get wise. Agent Orange, get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, come up, come up, come up. Agent Orange, get up, get up, get up. Agent Orange, you better get up, yeah. Get up, get up, get up. Come on, come on, come on. Agent Orange, you better get up. You better get up, yeah.
Sting.
Close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, close my mind, still I'll burn inside. Close my eyes, I'll close my mind, and still I'll burn inside. Agent Orange, get up! In your no-range, get up, get up, get up. In your no-range, you better get up, yo. In your no-range, get up, get up, get up. In your no-range, come up, come up, come up. In your no-range, you better get up. Better get up, yo. Killing all my hate, killing all my hate, hate.
Lupit, parang corn, no? Na may pagka-Rage Against the Machine. Lupit ng banata ng Slapshot dito sa Orange. Agent Orange nilang title na kinanta, no? Maraming magagandang kanta tong Slapshot, no? Kahit album nila, pag bumili ka, solid. Kaya kahit sa Amerika, putok to. Ngayon, sana, dahil wala na yung vocalista nila at mukhang hindi sila active ngayon, sana ang gawin nila magsulat sila ng mga bagong kanta na ganyan din ang tugtugan. Tapos magpalabas sila ng audition yung grupo ng Slapshot, no? Sana gawin nila na kumuha sila ng pagpa-audition sila sa TV. Total ganun sila kasikat at medyo class ang dating ng banda nila. Paano sila sa TV magpa-audition, no? Parang ginawa ng Inexes na kumuha ng mga bokalista tapos pumili sila. Tapos tinuloy nila yung nila kasi napakarami ng fans, kanta. So ganun gawin sana ng Slapshot, no? So ayun na po, hanggang sa muli po, si Tio Pine po ito nagsasabing, life is short, be happy, and world peace. Rakrakan na. Thank you so much.